How you doing, everybody? And welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, coming to you from my studio in the Simi Valley Town Center, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. So the tip for today is that I want you to really take a moment and appreciate your journey. One of the ways that we do that is by going back and looking at old artwork. Now, in order to look at your old artwork, you have to save your artwork, which is why I recommend keeping a sketchbook. Preferably a wire-bound sketchbook or a hardbound sketchbook, and date it. Date the sketchbook. Because I guarantee if you keep drawing every single day, even in as little as 3 months, you can look back at a sketchbook that you've completed previously, and you're gonna see at least a little improvement in your drawings. Maybe you're gonna see a lot of improvement, but the only way you're gonna be able to appreciate the journey from where you've been to where you are now is by holding on to some of those old drawings. Keep your sketchbook, write the dates in your sketchbook, even the days that you draw them. Maybe sometimes you can even write a little bit of a note. What were you thinking on that day? How were you feeling? Keep it as a journal. Put a drawing in there. Maybe your drawing really affected the mood that you had that day. Maybe you were sad and you did a sad drawing. Maybe you were super excited because something really joyous happened in your life. So get those papers up off the ground, from underneath your bed, out of the cupboards. And one thing you can do right away is just start to organize them. Just put them in a folder. Maybe cut out your drawings and tape them into your sketchbook so you have a nice journal of those drawings. And that's your 2-minute tip for this Tuesday. Have a great day, everybody. And remember your ABCs. Always be creating. Oh yeah, don't forget. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We appreciate all of your help. Thanks and have a great day. And this is your 2-minute tip Tuesday. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, coming to you from my studio in the Simi Valley Town Center. Take 2.